Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to extract this text from this image using ChatGPT. As you can see here, the text in the image is exactly what is here, and I extracted this text with a lot of ease. So I'll take you through a step-by-step process, so kindly follow up to the end of this video to discover unique things about this process. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI, and let's get into it. So for this tutorial, we are going to use ChatGPT AI generative AI tool to see if it can indeed extract text from an image. Now I have here an image that contains text, as you can see it here, and we want this text to be extracted so that I can edit it, or I can share it in a Word document or a Google document. So to do so, all you need to do is to take a photo of that page that you want to extract. And once you have taken the photo, now come to ChatGPT, log into your ChatGPT account, and then from here, go ahead and tap on this plus. And this will give us an option to choose a file, either from a photo, from files, or take a camera straight away. So I already have an image as I have shown you. So I'll just go to my phone gallery and then I'll take the image, and my image is here. I've selected it, and then I'll go ahead and tap on add. It is being loaded, and now the image has been loaded. Here it is. Once you have uploaded your image, now all you need to do is to ask ChatGPT to extract the text from the image. So I've just asked ChatGPT to extract the text from the image. So let's go ahead and hit on generate and see if ChatGPT will do exactly that. And here we go. Now look at that. So it went ahead and did a very commendable job. And this is why I'm telling you it did a commendable job. Now I have just attached a video in my comment section where I asked Copilot to extract the same text from the same image, but it didn't do a perfect job as ChatGPT has done. And one unique thing that ChatGPT has done is it extracted everything exactly the way it is. For Copilot, it put the opening speech marks at the beginning and at the end of this extraction, which was not present. If you look at my image, we don't have the opening and the closing speech marks, and you see ChatGPT got it well. Now, the other thing that sets ChatGPT apart, that makes it perfect with Copilot, is Copilot didn't bolden the text that was bold in the image, but ChatGPT went ahead, and you can see from number 3 is bold, and it went ahead and boldened the text exactly the way it is in the image. And for the rest of the text, it also did the same. Now look at the first word. The first word is we. Exactly with this, we are to provoke one another. We are to provoke one another. Very correct. And the last word is rather than to quarrel. And here, as you can see, ChatGPT got exactly that. So ChatGPT did a very commendable job, and I like what I'm seeing here. So go ahead and try out with various texts from images and see how perfectly ChatGPT can extract text from an image. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.